Okay guys, I'm currently getting undressed and trying to vlog. Oh yeah, in the bar. Okay guys, so we are kind of at Brisa. This is Brisa, but we're actually waiting for a free table. There are just above me some free empty ones, but the minimum is 500,000. So we're going to wait for the free ones, which are back a bit further, which are free. Well, no minimum spend, but obviously you do have to buy some stuff. So yeah, when we get back up there, I think I should just go to the toilet, and they said to wait maybe about 10 minutes, which is slightly annoying, but you know, I guess we can wait the 10 minutes and we'll get in there eventually. So we're finally in Brisa. It's been a while, been talking about it for a while, and here it is. You know, I don't want to film people enjoying themselves, so I'll just film myself, but you can kind of see it around. I can kind of see it before. Shipwreck chic, I guess. Loads of magical lights, a pool you can swim in, and yeah, like loads. It's massive. Bit of something getting in. Kind of had to wait a little bit, but yeah, once you're in, it's all good. Pretty magical place, really. Not 100% convinced on the music, but you know, it is what it is. Okay guys, I'm currently getting undressed and trying to vlog. Oh yeah, in the bar. But yeah, we're gonna go for a swim. We've just ordered, what did we order? We ordered tea and some fries, some sweet potato fries actually. Haven't had sweet potato fries for quite some time. But yeah, while that's arriving, we're gonna go for a swim in the water. You know, it's not often that you get a bar with a swimming pool, so we might as well use it. Yes. Oh, gosh. Okay, so I was expecting it to be warm. Oh, it's not. It's cold. Oh, I wouldn't even say that's refreshing. I'd say it's just cold. Where's the sun gone? Who knows? Oh. But still a pretty amazing place. Look at it, 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 look at it.
So here we are in the Brisa. He's black, running away because it's cold. Hey, wait. We came to the Brisa for a tea and some food, and then we end up in a swimming pool. Yeah. Basically, we're here in La Brisa, enjoying the time. Tune in for more tea. Hey!
That was way too cold for me. I mean, I think during the day it would be really good, but yeah, I don't know. I feel like a place like this should have slightly heated, at least. I mean, luckily we've got warm potato fries and warm tea coming. So I got like a cardamom tea, cardamom black tea, and Usher, I can't remember what she got. Oh, she got like a tropical relaxation. Sounds perfect. But here are the fries. Looks like a bit of an aioli dip. Aioli dip and fried. Well, I can't promise anything. Pretty good. It's a different sweet potato though. It's more like a taro, like it's like a taro fries. But yeah, really nice. Really nice. I'm looking forward to a warm tea though. Luckily I didn't get I was thinking about maybe getting a cold matcha or an iced tea, or a sorbet. But after that, definitely need a warm tea. Hopefully it's a pot, not just a cup or a glass. But we shall see, I guess. We shall see. So, it has come. It's come a bit strangely. This is a tea egg, if you didn't know. Tea egg, you put in here. Make sure this is clipped on the side. Da, 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 da. And then there is a whole teapot, which is great, actually. So that's about the amount of tea that I wanted. Obviously, it being a black tea, if you don't know about tea, black tea is fine to put boiling water on, so that didn't really matter. If it was a green tea, you're supposed to wait for it to cool down to about maybe 70 degrees rather than 90 or 100. So boiling water is also like, obviously at 100 degrees, black tea can hold that and sustain that. Green tea will go bitter. Just a bit of tea knowledge for you. I do, you know, over my years of sobriety, I have partaken in another vice, which is tea. A lot of tea. A lot of tea. So having good tea here really makes it a great place for me. Can't really enjoy the cocktails, but tea, I guess, is the kind of next best thing. And now here's the tea here. Got, like I said, a cardamom. Doesn't smell like a cardamom tea though. But... okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Maybe it needs a bit longer. But cool. Tea in Indonesia. Yeah, I guess that works. There are tea plantations all around Java, at least, and I think actually this was from West Java, so kind of where we were in some previous vlogs in like Labang, or like just from Bandung. We went to Labang and there was like tree plantations all around us. We never actually went to a tea plantation ourselves, but you know, we went to the place where they were. Perhaps sometime we'll go to some, maybe. For now, settling, we're drinking tea in La Brisa, which is not too bad. Okay, so I can confirm that after a bit more steeping, tea is good. Starting to get a bit bitter, but it's good. Cardamom, good. Yes, lightly cardamom. But yeah, apparently it was, if I haven't said, yes I have said. I think this is like a blend between Indian, obviously cardamom tea is from India. This is like a blend of West Javan and Indian. Tea. So Ash's tropical something has just turned up. Tropical
relaxation.
Tropical relaxation. And she got like a shot glass there with mint. And then I think it's got lemongrass in it. And then the tea she's got is like a jasmine.
Yeah.
So like a green jasmine tea.
But it's with pea, blue flower.
Blue flower pea.
Blue pea flower.
Blue pea flower. Yes. Yes, it's blue pea. Blue pea flower?
I've been drinking all day mint tea. My stomach is getting better.
Yeah. But yeah, it should turn blue. Like, because I have had, it is, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't really see it probably on the camera. In the blue, I don't know.
You can see.
Maybe. But yeah, the jasmine tea smelled really good actually.
Yeah.
Too bad you can't smell in YouTube.
Exactly. Well.
Anyway, we're going to drink our tea and enjoy our tea. Yes. Okay guys, we are done at La Brisa. But I'm just going to take you on a little tiki tour around somewhere. You've seen that side. I just wanted to see this side. There's like little kind of tiny little bungalows around here. You know, to chill in during the day. Don't know if this is warm. Is this the warm one? No. Still cold. But yeah, these are quite cool. Like these little things with the chandeliers, and then one above even. Be quite a cool place to kind of bring people, I guess, to do networky type things, or like hanging out type things with friends, if that's what you want to do. Come on. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Actually, I think I might just leave it here. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Gonna sign off here. There's Asha. We're gonna go home. And that's it. So, you know, again, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment down below. Come to La Brisa. It's pretty cool. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Until then,
Keep on drifting.
yes, keep on drifting. Catch you guys later.
Bye.